What's going on, everyone? Chinedu here. In this video, I'm going to show how you can become a ClickFunnels affiliate. If you do stay to the end of this video, I have a special bonus for you. Before we get started, why don't you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also bang that bell to be notified each time I drop a new video. There is a link in the description to ClickFunnels free 14-day trial, which you can use to get started with ClickFunnels. I joined the ClickFunnels affiliate program in March 2018, and a year later, I qualified for the Dream Car bonus. With the Dream Car bonus, you get an extra $500 a month from ClickFunnels if you have over 100 members under you. This goes up to $1,000 a month if you have over 200 members. I was able to achieve over 6 figures in commissions early this year. However, the ClickFunnels affiliate program has changed since I joined, so it's important you watch this video closely to see what the new changes are. So when I joined ClickFunnels, every affiliate received 40% commission on all the products. However, in the past year, this has changed. If you're a new affiliate, you will start at 20% commission. Also, you cannot promote the software directly, but I can show you one way you can. As a new affiliate, you can promote the Russell Brunson books, which is .com secrets, expert secrets, and traffic secrets. You can also promote the One Funnel Aware Challenge training and the 30 days summit, another training. Both pay $100 commissions for each sale you make. So you cannot promote the software directly. However, you can promote the software through your affiliate badge, which you can leave open on your funnels, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So when you create funnels, you can elect to have this badge visible. If anybody clicks on that badge and purchases ClickFunnels through that, you can earn 20% commissions. So that's the only way you can promote the ClickFunnels software as a new affiliate through your badge, but not directly. So that is a big difference for new affiliates. You start at 20% commissions. Now, you can promote the One Funnel Aware Challenge, like I said, and the 30 Days Summit, make $100 commissions each time. Now, when you hit $1,000 commissions in a month, you can then apply to be upgraded to 30% commissions. So you need to hit $1,000 in commissions in a month before you can then move up to 30% commissions. Now, to receive 40% commissions, you have to have at least 40 active members under you for at least 30 days. So when you move up to 30% commissions, you keep promoting the software, and then when you have 40 active members under you, you then move up to 40% commissions. So these are the new changes with the ClickFunnels affiliate program you need to understand as you join to become an affiliate. So that means as a new affiliate, your goal should be to hit the $1,000 in commissions so you can move up to 30%. And therefore, you have to push and promote the One Funnel Aware Challenge and the 30-Day Summit, because both will pay you $100 commissions for each one you sell. So that will be the strategy to use to hit your $1,000 commissions by promoting those two products. So if you're looking to promote ClickFunnels, how do you start? You sign up for the affiliate program. I will leave a link in the description below to this page, which is where you apply for the ClickFunnels affiliate program. It's quite easy. All you do is put in all your details and then create your account. So on this page, you can see more information about the affiliate program. There is a very important link to best practice when you become an affiliate. You have to be ethical and transparent in all your dealings. And then down here are the products you can promote as a new affiliate. Traffic secrets, the 30 days training, one funnel away challenge training, .com secrets, expert secrets, and the 30 days summit. So these are all the products you can promote as a new affiliate. And I will leave a link in the description to this page to apply to become a new affiliate. I will also encourage you as a new affiliate to sign up for ClickFunnels. It is much easier to promote something you use yourself. So if you're going to promote ClickFunnels, then sign up for the software, because that way you can build funnels, you can use funnels as bonuses, and you can easily explain to people how ClickFunnels works. If you don't use this software, then it's really difficult to promote something you don't know or something you don't use. So I will leave a link in the description to the free 14-day trial to sign up for ClickFunnels. Then take the affiliate bootcamp training. It is a free training for new affiliates by ClickFunnels. 15 of the top affiliates for ClickFunnels have given their plans and strategies to start a new affiliate business and win the dream car in 100 days. So it's a very important training, and you will learn different strategies to promote ClickFunnels. So take the affiliate bootcamp training. I will also encourage you to take the One Funnel Away Challenge training yourself. It costs $100, but it will give you all the skills and all the strategies you need to build funnels and also promote the One Funnel Away Challenge yourself. So take the One Funnel Away Challenge training so you understand the training, because you're going to be promoting it to make $100 commissions. So it's important you understand what you are promoting so you can explain to people what the training entails. You can also document your journey, because that will give you the social proof as you start promoting the One Funnel Away Challenge training. You'll also promote the 30-day summit, another training, and both pay $100 commissions, like I've said before. As a new affiliate, I will encourage you to use organic traffic when you first start. So you can use a blog to write reviews about ClickFunnels, about the One Funnel Away Challenge training, about the 30-day summit. You can create YouTube videos for organic traffic. And these days, TikTok is now a very important medium for promoting your affiliate links. You can use Facebook. You can write answers to ClickFunnels questions on Quora. You can use Instagram, and Pinterest is also a very powerful search engine for affiliate marketing. I have not mentioned paid traffic using ads because it is very expensive, and for a new affiliate, it can eat into your budget. So I will advise you to start with free organic traffic. When you start making money, you can then double into ads, which can really eat into your budget. I mentioned a bonus if you stayed to the end of this video. Now, I have a bonus that will give you a free funnel to promote the One Funnel Aware Challenge training, because as a new affiliate, that's what you'll be promoting. So I'll give you the same funnel I use to promote the OFA, as it's called. You'll get all the scripts I use and email sequences, and that is the URL to click to get my bonuses. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get this funnel free. And I'll show you what this funnel looks like. So this is my funnel for promoting the One Funnel Away Challenge training. There's a video of myself which you can change to yours, and then some description about the training and all the bonuses from ClickFunnels and my own bonuses. Now, some of these bonuses are white labeled, which you can also use. So you get this exact funnel that has bonuses all done for you. All you have to do is switch the affiliate links and it's ready to go. So there is a link in the description to clone this funnel. You will get to this page through that link and a short video from me, and you can join the One Funnel Away Challenge through that link. You apply to the ClickFunnels affiliate program there. You create a ClickFunnels account, and then you can then import the funnel I just showed you to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge training. You need a ClickFunnels account to get this funnel. So once your account is created, you click on this, and this funnel will download with just one click into your ClickFunnels account. You can get the same script I've used to prepare the video you saw on that funnel. So you'll get the script. You'll also get my email sequences for your email marketing. You will need an Active Campaign account to download the automations which is already done for you. If you don't have Active Campaign, or if you're using a different email software, you can copy and paste the email sequences. And then you can join the free affiliate bootcamp training for affiliates through that link. So this is the page you will come to, and it has everything you need to start as a ClickFunnels affiliate and promote the One Funnel Away Challenge training to get you to that $1,000 mark, which is important so you can promote the ClickFunnels software directly. So I will leave you with the link to get all that information and my funnel to get you started today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now, if you found some value from this, why don't you like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and also remember to bang that bell so you get notified each time I release a new video. Thank you once again for watching, and if you do become a ClickFunnels affiliate, I wish you the best. Thank you and peace.